Today we're gonna get the engine out of Peter's car and assess the damage from the drift day.
We got also a specialist, just for the day, first time. Myra, what do you think about it?
Yay! He's the helper. So yeah, today we're gonna get this thing out and see what the damage was from the drift day.
Spill the coffee.
Oh no, that's a good start. Last night, me and Peter, we towed the car here for about what, 3 miles with the Toyota.
A little bit more than that, but yes,
Probably a bit more.
We made it. We made it. It wasn't easy.
Just
though.
about. Yeah, we're gonna get started and take you guys.
What's inside? Well, I know what's inside, but how bad is inside?
Yeah, it'll be fun to see. What's going on here? Open the cap. Did he over? Damn.
Why?
I don't know.
It wasn't
I
that
don't
much.
know. But that explains all the fluid. First time you get your car on a lift?
Yeah.
How does it look?
Oily. Oil. Damn. I ripped a bit of a block. You see there?
Oh yeah, that block is
Where the
no
bolt
good.
is.
Well, we're gonna assess all the damage and show you properly once we get the engine out. Just took the sump plug off and look at that. How much metal is in it. And at first the only thing that came off, it was coolant. There was loads of coolant in it. Obviously you can see it now. I wish I filmed it when I first took the thing off, but it was just blue coolant. That barely any oil come out, but loads of coolant. So that answers the question that Peter asked earlier, because when he took the coolant hose off to drain the coolant, so then obviously taking the engine out, it was like, oh, there's barely any coolant in it. It was all inside the engine bit, because loads of coolant came out, loads of it. And I can't believe how much metal is on this. Look at that. Can't wait to see how it looks like under there. We've done some progress. I'll show you guys what we've done so far. So the exhaust bit is off, wipe pipe is off, the cuts are off, all the gearbox is all disconnected, all the cables and anything. Peter is getting the little bits off, steering rack is off. Derek is playing around. Mate, stop fisting the engine.
I can't help it. It's just a big hole. I need to put my hand in it. I did find that though.
Oh, damn. Did you pull that out of there?
Yeah, out the hole.
Out the hole.
There's
Jesus,
more. There's more
look
in
at
there.
that.
I
Mate.
have a feeling the
Get your hand off a bit.
I've got a
Jesus.
feeling the crank might be ruined in this as well.
The crank is ruined, is
Yeah,
it?
I've got a
Look at
feeling
here.
the crank's ruined.
Oh, this is whacked.
Yeah, it's all
Like
the,
someone.
all the wrist
Oh,
pin,
damn.
all the wrist
It's not.
pin.
It's not. It's
Jesus.
oval now.
And look how
Should be round.
bent that is.
That's what she said.
So you
Bolt
that'd
snap.
probably be the bearing that you pulled out of pod.
Yeah. The one
So
that I
there's
picked
probably
up.
going to be more inside, but I don't think if that's come out like that, I think that crank's going to be ruined.
Yeah,
Yeah,
possibly.
there's going to be
I
all
mean,
sorts
look
of
at the
damage.
size of that
Come
hole.
on, guys, keep positive.
I can't feel anything on the actual
Keep
crank.
positive.
I mean, this is positive.
You'll be just
Yeah.
fine.
You positively blew it up.
I'm gonna take it off, change parts, and it's gonna be good as new.
Yeah.
It says.
Alright, we're gonna
Closure number 2.
we're gonna keep going. So in a bit, we're just finishing up under the car. We're gonna lower the car, disconnect everything of the top bit and inside the gear shifts and all that, and drop the engine out.
I'm disconnected, I just need to get them little clippy things off. So I can put
So
them
you-
back in place.
You're going to break them then?
No, I've never break stuff.
You sure about that?
Do I? No.
I mean,
I'm pretty good at doing this properly.
he says he never breaks things. What are you doing?
I'm disconnecting the shifter so we can get the gearbox out underneath. So all this comes out, all these 4 screws, and it's gonna proper pop out because there is a
How's it go?
spring.
Nice.
No, I mean, bruh.
Yeah, bro.
And by the way, this wasn't tight. To be fair, don't say nothing. I'm probably the one who put this back together.
It wouldn't
last time.
surprise me if it was you that put it together.
You definitely was me. You definitely was me who put this all back together last time.
So we know how Ruben's car's actually put together now.
Yeah, that's why it rattles everywhere.
Yeah, it does.
Everything's
Everything's loose, falling off,
loose. Yeah.
broken.
But not crispy.
Are you all good, Milo? Seems good.
We have everything disconnected. It's ready to come down. So this is the plan. We got a few pallets. Alright. We're gonna lower down the lift to get the subframe and the bit of the gearbox on top of the pallet. Disconnect the subframe bolts and the gearbox bolts and lift the car and lift the pallet, the engine down. Yeah, how does that sound, boys? Confident?
Let's drop it, yeah? 100%.
I don't see why we don't just drop it from here.
let it.
Just let it. Just
Put a couple of tires in here and just let it fall down.
Yeah, there's a 2 in the corner.
Yeah. Yeah, boy. What is the damage? Let's have a look.
Yeah, she's proper.
Damn.
Oh.
Stop looking,
Oh, yeah.
let's take this out of it.
Oh, it's all in there. Look, you can see it right there. There's a rod cap.
Stop fisting it.
I can't help it. Just look at the size of it.
We just took the plenum off and look at that.
Pieces of ring.
Pieces of metal
Sprinkled.
Look at
There
that.
you go. Piece of the ring.
Look at this.
There's another piece here.
My, look at that.
Loads of it. Small
Metal
pieces.
everywhere.
That's part of the thrust bearing.
And we only at the top of the engine. As we go down,
gonna
we
be
assume,
even worse.
yeah, it'll be
It's
even
gonna be
worse.
bad. It's going to be really bad.
It's gonna be also
Damn, that's a big
sucker
chunk.
blend.
Nice big chunk.
Damn.
That looks like.
Peter, mate, congratulations. You absolutely fucked it.
You ruined it.
What can I say?
It's part of the game, bro. It's part of the game.
We're
gonna rebuild it now?
This is going to be bad.
Yeah.
There's actually. Oh fuck! Have a look there. That's all gone through. So it's
Oh
gone
yeah, it's gone. It's
into the
been.
intake.
Oh yeah, it's gone through the whole system.
There's not much here, is it?
Let's try and keep
actually,
it straight.
no, you can see parts of
Oh yeah.
have gone right down in there.
Oh, it's gone everywhere. That's for sure.
100%
It's,
it's everywhere.
it's definitely gone everywhere. All right, we're gonna keep digging and update you guys as we go. All right. Well, oh, damn.
And there's your wristband. That went missing.
Was.
Jesus
Some
Christ.
rings. It's a
Like
soup.
soup. And you see the coolant in there.
Yeah. Let me just get out of. Now you can see better.
Damn, how much metal. I've never
Look,
seen
that's a
anything.
bolt.
A bent
How
bolt.
bent is damaged very badly.
Jesus. Look, he just pulled out Oh, that's from the other one that was there. Oh, right, what is this?
Piston ring.
What? Like.
Yeah, because you've got three different ones.
Is that wavy?
Yeah.
Yeah, that'll be the oil scrape ring.
Damn.
This one here.
There's going to be bearing everywhere because there is literally.
Mate, what is the
Yeah, the locking pin. Whatever.
washers? Looking washers.
That'll be where it exploded. There's probably half a piston still sitting in this.
Yeah.
I guarantee it's going to be wedged in the ball.
What's this?
We're gonna whack it out. I don't know where this belongs, but somewhere inside.
It's well and truly dead.
Oh yeah,
There's no bearing in this at all. And
gone. That's all in the 1,000 pieces over there. Alright,
that's proper bad.
we're just gonna keep going. Oh,
Still pieces.
metal,
Pieces everywhere.
metal everywhere, more metal,
And look at that.
more metal. Oh, look at that.
Stuck on the valve.
Damn, it's proper stuck in there.
Here, piston. Is it piston, yeah? No. Oh, damn.
Oh,
That's a part of head piston.
The head.
yeah, that's the head gone. There you go.
Stuck on pin.
Oh!
Oh,
Oh, damn.
damn.
Oh my god.
What? Mate, it's...
I've never seen anything like that.
Me neither, that's a piston in there. It's a part of the piston.
It was.
You've done a number
Piston.
there, bud.
Although before we do that, Peter, let's inspect the...
Oh!
Gosh.
Pure destruction.
Jesus.
Yeah, it's got spark plugs, got everything.
Oh, the spark
Yeah.
plugs. Is that there?
Oh, damn.
Oh yeah.
Mate, I hope you're proud of yourself.
I'm surprised.
10 out of 10 for smashed.
Yeah.
Hulk
10 out of
smash.
10.
The other one, even this, no, this was you. There's a bit of metal
Rings
stuck
left
in
to
there.
Yeah.
That
curious to
that
see
spark
how
plug
bad
is bent as well.
I'm curious
No,
to
it's
see
not.
how bad the actual valves are.
Damn. Mate.
You've done a number, mate. Well done.
Let's have
well
a look
done.
over here. It's a little bit of it's a bit of oil actually, you know.
Oh, that's stuff falling out the bottom.
That's stuck in there.
Oh, look at that here.
Oh.
Them scratches.
Yeah. I mean, they sleeved. But
Yeah, not here. Look.
Oh,
Proper crack the
Oh,
Jesus.
damn. Literally, look at the crack. Damn. Head is gone.
mate! What?
That block's knackered.
Jesus Christ.
Yeah. That's gonna be for the beers to put in here.
Yeah.
Make coffee table out of it.
Yeah, literally.
Boys, look at that.
Hold on. No.
We've seen some blown engines, but nothing like this. Hey, look at this piece, and it's not sitting right. Look, there's a gap on that side.
Well, you
It's like...
hang on, I've got an idea.
Oh, you don't even need to hammer it that bad. I didn't rotate anything. It's loose on the bottom. We didn't
that
rotate.
rod is. That'll be the rod that's done.
Yeah.
So you've done 2 rods, 2 pistons.
Nice.
Done a good job.
Yeah.
Done a real good job.
All or nothing.
Yeah, all or nothing, literally.
All we need to do now is put a Volkswagen badge on it, and then you've got yourself a 4-cylinder.
Yeah. Most of the engine is apart. We took the gearbox out, we flipped the engine around. Can see some damage here too. In fact, what is this?
That's a part
Oh.
of this sort of.
No, this is, no, look.
That's the lower brace.
This is
Yeah.
part of the sample.
No, it's
No,
this lower
that's part
brace.
of this that goes all around
Oh,
the brace
part
for the
of
main
that.
bearing.
Damn, even that broke.
it. Aluminium.
Jesus. Look at that.
Are we ready?
Hold on. Look at that. It's completely gone. Got all the metal in there. What are we doing here?
I'll take pistons out. Hold on, let's go from this way.
There you go.
Oh, there. Oh, there.
Damn. I mean,
That's
the
another
locking wash is still there.
Oh,
It held up.
rings still here.
Yeah, just about.
Yeah, they're here. They're
Wait,
intact.
is it cracked?
No, they are like that.
No, I'm saying
Oh,
the
piston.
piston. It's
Oh
cracked.
yeah, all the way here.
Yeah, it's like airline
That would
cracked.
have been on the way out as well.
Yeah, it's all cracked. Well, on the way out.
It's already out.
Definitely out.
Another bit. Another bit of a piston.
Arriba, arriba, arriba.
Should we see about getting this crank out then?
We keep putting it all in there with the other bits of pistons. We dismantled all the engine. All the broken bits are here. Peter, do you want to walk us through of the
Well-
job's work done?
What?
Nothing going.
So that's a good part right here. That's how I'm gonna be used. And
All them, good ones.
what much more can I say about this? That hole, this broken, this damaged head, valves, and this.
Metal stuck everywhere.
Metal like metal, but here it's cracked as well.
So all the metal we kind of found. Bits of pistons and I mean all sorts in there.
There's still a broken rod sitting in the engine.
Yeah, it's still a broken one sitting in the engine that we're gonna show you. Damage to them? Were they damaged?
So these ones,
They've been just taken out.
yeah, we've took these out, but we think the engine itself's been reconditioned at some point.
But not fully.
But not fully, or if they've done it fully, they've done a really bad job of it.
Wasn't
Because
that one?
this one, the bearing's sitting in there fairly nicely, little bit of movement, and if you look,
Look
at
at this
Peter's
one.
got,
Oh, big gap.
there's a massive gap
Even
in it.
it's sticking out up here, which it shouldn't. Should be like even
Should
here.
flush all the way around.
Exactly, and the gap here is
the
something that
same-
should not happen.
Same on the rods themselves, because they've still got the sort of the copper coating on there from the new bearings. So
And then that bit.
Well, that's not coming out anywhere, but where was that damage here
Yeah, been
And-
rounded off.
and here as well? It was just few seconds and did that much damage.
Oh yeah, it's spinning at crazy speeds, isn't it?
Yeah,
And obviously the other side.
even inside. Oh, there's still some metal stuck in there.
And on this side is metal.
See that?
everywhere
You
too.
see that? That sleeve, it seems that the bit is come
Oh,
off.
yeah. Don't know if you
I
can
just
see on
noticed
camera.
now.
either way, it's dead.
Yeah, dead.
Truly dead.
Yeah.
Dead, gone. Well,
No save.
no, this is all cracked.
Oh, let me push it down.
This
And where was the damage? Yeah, here. That is not savable at all.
Nah, it's gone, right? That's probably here is probably why when I took the sump plug off,
Yes.
loads of
Metals come off.
no, loads of coolant come off.
Ah, through
Because
that.
the
Okay.
coolant goes around here,
Yeah, gotcha.
and
Okay,
all
that
the
makes sense
coolant's
now.
going to the engine from there.
Yeah.
Because yeah,
A lot of sense now.
nice.
Done a good job.
Well, yeah, Peter definitely did a good job with it.
Yeah.
That's it for today. Like and subscribe as usual, and peace out.
See you later.
Don't be a Peter.